Welcome back to Biker Wish, riders and road trip lovers. Today we're talking about a machine that doesn't just travel highways, it owns them. Imagine crossing entire states in total comfort with cutting-edge tech, silky power, and legendary reliability under you. If that sounds like your kind of ride, stay with me, because the Honda Gold Wing GCT 2026 might just be the ultimate touring motorcycle ever built. The legacy continues. The Honda Gold Wing has always been more than a bike, it's been a benchmark. For decades, it has defined what luxury touring means in America. With the 2026 Gold Wing GCT, Honda isn't reinventing the wheel, instead they're refining perfection. This model stays true to the Gold Wing DNA while pushing comfort, technology, and performance to an even higher level. Design that means business. At first glance, the 2026 Gold Wing GCT looks bold, muscular, and premium. The aerodynamic bodywork is smoother and more sculpted, designed not just for looks, but for long-distance stability. Chrome accents, sharp LED lighting, and that unmistakable touring stance make it clear this bike is built for riders who take the long way on purpose. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Gold Wing GCT 2026 is Honda's legendary 1833cc flat-six engine. This motor is all about smooth, effortless power. Acceleration feels refined, not aggressive, but when you twist the throttle, it responds instantly. Whether you're cruising at highway speed or overtaking traffic with luggage and a passenger on board, the Gold Wing does it without breaking a sweat. GCT transmission experience. The GCT system takes riding comfort to the next level. Gear changes are seamless, precise, and stress-free, especially during long rides or city traffic. This transmission setup is built for touring riders who want smoothness and control without constantly worrying about shifting fatigue. It's confidence-inspiring, especially on extended cross-country journeys. Ride comfort like no other. This is where the Gold Wing truly shines. The 2026 model offers plush seating, perfectly tuned suspension, and an upright riding position that reduces fatigue even after hours in the saddle. Both rider and passenger get exceptional comfort, making this bike ideal for couples who love long-distance touring together. Technology and infotainment. Honda has packed the Gold Wing GCT 2026 with advanced technology. A large TFT display sits front and center, offering navigation, ride modes, audio controls, and smartphone connectivity. Voice commands, premium speakers, and intuitive controls mean you stay connected without losing focus on the road. Safety and rider assistance. Safety is taken seriously here. The Gold Wing comes equipped with advanced braking systems, traction control, multiple ride modes, and stability-enhancing electronics. These features don't interfere with the ride. They quietly work in the background to keep you safe, especially in changing weather and road conditions. Long-distance touring practicality. Storage has always been a Gold Wing strength, and the 2026 GCT continues that tradition. Spacious saddlebags and a large rear trunk provide plenty of room for helmets, luggage, and touring gear. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a multi-week road trip, this bike is ready. Fuel efficiency and reliability. Despite its size and power, the Gold Wing GCT 2026 remains surprisingly efficient for a touring machine. Honda's engineering ensures long service intervals and legendary reliability, which is exactly what touring riders want: less time in the workshop, more time on the open road. Who is this bike for? This bike isn't for everyone, and that's the point. The Honda Gold Wing GCT 2026 is for riders who value comfort, technology, and long-distance capability over raw speed. It's for those who dream of endless highways, scenic routes, and stress-free miles. Final thoughts. The Gold Wing GCT 2026 doesn't try to be flashy or aggressive. Instead, it focuses on delivering one of the most refined touring experiences money can buy. It's smooth, comfortable, powerful, and packed with smart technology. If touring is your passion, this bike isn't just an option, it's a statement.